Hey everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log out of Coinomi wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Here I have my Coinomi wallet opened up on my screen. Let me tell you that there is no log out option inside your Coinomi wallet. You can control all of your keys, and every transaction you are trying to send requires confirmation of your password. So you are safe as long as you have a strong one. Even if you don't have the logout button, you can simply delete your Coinomi wallet if you want to temporarily log out or simply delete your Coinomi wallet. So in that case, the first thing to make sure is that you must remember your recovery phrases. Go to the top left-hand corner and tap on the hamburger menu. At the top, tap on Default Wallet drop-down. Click the Manage Wallets button at the bottom, and once you find your wallet you'd like to log out of or delete, you can simply tap on the three dots right next to the wallet. Go ahead and open up your recovery phrase option from the expanded menu. Remember that you should not share your recovery phrase or your seed phrase with anyone, including a website, online service, or other wallet. Doing so might result in permanent loss of your funds. So tap on I understand the risks in this box, type in your wallet password in the text box appearing on the screen, and tap on the unlock button. Once you reveal your recovery phrase, make sure you keep a copy of this. You can simply write down your recovery phrase in a piece of paper and store it somewhere else safe. Once you have the recovery phrases backed up, you can log in anytime you want, even if you delete the wallet from your Coinomi. Tap the three dots right next to the wallet you'd like to log out of or delete, and now tap on the delete button. Click on delete default wallet option, but make sure you have your backup phrases if you want to get back to your wallet. Once you delete your wallet, wait for a few seconds and you'll be back to the main interface of Coinomi. If you ever want to get back to your wallet, tap on restore a wallet. Type in the recovery phrases in the text box with the help of the keyboard, and once you type in all of the recovery phrases and if it is correct, tap the arrow at the bottom right hand corner to get back to your wallet. That's how you can easily log out of Coinomi wallet on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.